As we've been digging into MeetEdgar's features, you've noticed that getting started is as simple as adding a few posts to your categories and placing those categories on your weekly repeating schedule a couple of times. This way, you can slowly start building your categories up with your content and add more time slots later. Once you get Edgar chugging along for your evergreen content, let's look at a few advanced settings you have available for your scheduling features. These are found on our Composer screen. When you click to add new content, you'll notice you have an Advanced Settings drop-down menu here. Clicking to expand this reveals a couple of options. One is to mark it as a Use Once post. The other is to expire your content. Use Once does exactly what it sounds like. Edgar will send an update out once, and then he'll automatically expire it. This is a great feature to think about using for a one-day promotion, a holiday post, or a trending news article that you'd like to share. Use Once can be used on your weekly repeating schedule as well. Or if this is a holiday post, Use Once can be used in combination with our Schedule, Send, and Save feature. For this workflow, you're going to go ahead and check off the accounts that you'd like this post to send out to over here on the left. Write your holiday post in this section here. You'll go ahead and use this arrow next to the Save to Library button. You'll notice the second option says Schedule, Send, and Save. Clicking this will establish a text box where I'm able to put in a time and a date when I'd like this post to send out. If this box here is populated, Edgar's going to hold this post out of your rotation until this day and time is reached, at which point he's going to send it out to whatever networks you've attached to this post. If Use Once is checked off here, Edgar will then automatically expire it in your library. If Use Once is not checked off here, Edgar will put it to the end of the line in whatever category you've assigned it to once he sends it the first time from the Schedule, Send, and Save feature. So you want to make sure you're always marking it as a Use Once post if this is a holiday post. Any expired Use Once posts will live in your library. There's even a filter over here on the left to filter it to find your Use Once posts if you'd ever like to reactivate them in the future. The second option under Advanced Settings is to expire content. Checking this box will allow you to place a day and time when you'd like to stop this post from sending. Edgar will keep this post in the last in, first out rotation based on your weekly repeating schedule until this day and time is reached, at which point he'll go ahead and expire it. The last advanced scheduling feature that we need to touch on is located next to the Schedule, Send, and Save feature. So again, you'll use this drop-down arrow and you'll see the first option in the drop-down menu is the Send Now and Save feature. If you click to Send Now and Save, Edgar will send the post 1 minute after you click this button, and he'll then go ahead and send it out to whatever accounts you've attached over here on the left. He will then either put it to the end of the line in whatever category you've assigned this content item to, or if this is like a trending news article, he'll send it out. You can make sure you go ahead and mark it as a Use Once post, and Edgar will automatically expire it. This way, you're able to get your content of that trending news article out to all of your social media accounts without having to log into a single one. Super powerful tool to use. So you can see how automating your social media and upcycling your evergreen content is a powerful way to consistently show up for your community. And it's a huge time saver. You only have to set up your weekly repeating schedule once. But having the flexibility to send holiday content and to send Use Once content gives you the peace of mind that Edgar has the flexibility and the tools to make sure whatever content you want to get out to your followers is scheduled properly. All right, we've got your back no matter what you're scheduling, and let's go ahead and go on to the next video. See you in a minute.